Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. This afternoon I'm going to take you on a first-person walkthrough of a 2020 Harris Solstice. This is a 230 Solstice with the French gray interior. This layout is all new this year. They've added inset cup holders, lighted of course. Near all the cup holders are USB charging ports. Of course, lighted JL audio stereo speakers. Storage under all the seats. Really easy to access all of that. This model has a giant in-floor storage ski locker. Also, give you a layout on this other couch here. So we ordered this model with the double bimini without the wake tower, the ski tow tower. So we just have a ski tow bar back here at the back. I've already laid out this lounge in the full recline position so you can see how giant the rear single lounge is. This layout you can recline, just lay out completely for some sun, or the back kicks up so you could recline facing forward. And of course the seat back will come forward, back towards the back of the boat so you can have a forward, rearward facing seating. Another new feature of this model is the built-in ice chest here at the back. Drains overboard. Easy access right next to 3 additional cup holders. Again, a 12-volt charging port and 2 USB ports with the transom remote for the stereo there. There's also a swim-up remote for the stereo here, right next to the plug-in for the onshore battery charger. So you can keep those batteries topped off when you're parked at your slip. Another thing that they changed up for this season is the extended swim platform here on the back. They extended on both sides of the motor and moved the seating, the furniture forward just a little bit, so there's tons of space back here. We ordered this model with the Harris's patented swim seat, so that swim seat flips down into the water so you can swim up and sit on it, relax, use it to climb out of the water. 225 Mercury on this model. There's your ski tow bar and your stainless ladder. It's an extending ladder, real sturdy, real easy to get in and out of the water with. Coming back forward into the boat, I'll show you the helm. So here at the helm we ordered this model with a 9-inch Simrad front and center. That's going to handle all your GPS features, your fish finder, depth finder, and then you can also add the gauges in. We've got it connected with vessel view through Mercury. Again, there's also a analog speedometer, fuel gauge, analog tachometer, with some more digital features, hour meter, etc. And there's your JL audio head unit right there. Tilt wheel and the DTS throttle, which is the digital throttle and shift. Adds a few features, adds docking mode, adds active trim. Right here we've got a wireless charger for your cell phone. Just drop your cell phone right there, it'll charge up, along with another cup holder for the captain. And underneath in a little storage area there's also your audio USB plug-in and another charging port down there. This is a raised helm, so it gives you a great seating position so you can see over anybody that's sitting in front of you. Give you a great view on the water. So that's a quick walkthrough of this 2020 Harris Solstice 230 in French gray with the SL layout. Hope you enjoyed that. Come by and see us here at MarineMax Dallas, or as always you can catch us at MarineMax.com. Thank you.